Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating a spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jenny. Jenny, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a spread using the exclusive stickers for my Patreon this month. My sister created these little winter village scenes here. So I'm going to use these buildings, the trees, all those fun things, and mix it with Squad Life, because I have some really nice winter themed squad girls in here that I think will combine well with these stickers. And then I have Winter Allure, which is a new sticker book from Live Love Posh, because I can bring in, ooh, actually these are cute, but boxes and quotes. That's kind of why I pulled this. But maybe I can do some like floral elements or something. We'll see what I can do with that. But basically just going to do some scenes and boxes and that kind of stuff. Jenny uses this for journaling. So, and this is a horizontal layout. So this is the layout that I will be using for this spread. And then I have the stickers for my Patreon, which are currently available right now this month. All right, so I'm just going to make little scenes, and I think I want to do, let's see, let's do a scene. Okay, actually let me figure out the stickers I want to use. I really want to use, there's like a car, I think it's in here. This one right here, like the tree. Definitely want to make sure I get this one on the page. Okay, so let's see which one. I feel like the coffee shop. I like the look of that. Or the toy store. We'll do the coffee shop. Okay. So, let me put this down here. Actually, let me grab some washi first. I kind of want to do something different. I think that's a little too different. I have this like star one. Okay, I'm gonna do this one here. Oops. Okay. So some little star washi. This is from Simply Gilded. And then I will grab this little coffee shop. Tree. Coffee shop. I'm just going to make little scenes. And then the car. Kind of driving off. All right, so that's the first little scene. And then I could do one over here. Let's see. Let's do the bookstore. And then I'll do a girl with the store. I'll do this girl. And then I'll do a tree. Okay, that works. And then I can mix in these trees from this book just to mix the styles together. Okay, that works. Let me put some washi down here. Perfect. Alrighty. And then I'll probably do another scene, maybe here and then maybe here. Actually, I should just put those down first so I can get them out of the way. And then I'll work around the scene stickers. Okay, I'll put this one here. what? I should have put a tree. Just want a tree like behind the building. Okay. I'm gonna do one of these like little ones. Actually, can't even tell. Never mind. Scratch that idea. Let's put it over here. Bigger little tree there. Okay. And then I could do a girl here. Let's do this girl. She's kind of, you know what? We'll put her in front of the house. No, you kind of see her through the sticker. Let's do her kind of looking at the toy store. Okay, I think that works. Cool. And then I have these like fences. I think I want to add a fence. Could add a tree down here too. Do this double tree. And then the fence. Okay, that works. All right, so I need to put boxes down because I put a lot of decor over here. Oh, actually I want to do a scene over here. So I want to do this snowman. Let me get a tree down. This snowman. And then I have a girl who's like kind of playing in the snow. We'll do this little snow guy too. Actually, no, we'll do tree. You know what? I'm gonna put her, because I don't like that it's like right above this girl. I'll do her over here. Okay, that's the scene for that. Okay, I think those are good scenes. Happy with those scenes. Alrighty, perfect. Next is I'm gonna focus on boxes. So Jennie has places to write, and I'm gonna use probably this blue. I'm gonna do blue and pink, I think. I don't know. Should I just do pink? The blue will tie in the roof. I'm gonna do blue. We'll just do blue and pink. So I like that combo. Just add some boxes around the spread. And then I can work in some quotes too. Okay, I'm gonna put one over here. Get a blue sticker. I also need to put more washi down just to tie that around the spread a little bit more too. Okay, so just adding boxes in a few places. Get another pink. So pink ones. Okay, I'm gonna put some washi down. A little bit on top. Okay, cute. All right, next I want to focus on some quotes because there's some really good quotes in this book. I really like the quotes in here. I love just the style of them and yeah, just the way that they look. I'm loving these. Okay, so this one says winter warmth. So we'll put that here. I'll do the baby, it's cold outside. Oh, I'll do it here. Okay, and then I'll do snow day. There. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I might put some bullet points down. Yeah. Okay, bullet points. Just gonna put a couple bullet points in a few places. Get some pink ones. And a couple over here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let me see what else. I was thinking of doing the florals, but now I don't know if they're gonna mix in. We'll see. I have these berries. Let's see if these would work. Maybe. We'll see. It's different. No, I think it's too different. Okay, it's too like realistic, I feel. So yeah, not working. And I don't think, well, I have these. These are pretty. Maybe I have the pink. Let me try these. No. Okay, it's not working. Okay, I was trying to add another element in, but I don't think it's working with the artwork that I have on the page. Honestly, I think this is pretty good. Let me look at it from the top because sometimes I need to... I mean, maybe I can add some other washi. Maybe a scallop. Okay, I think that kind of works. Just want one more place over here. Okay, it's gonna have to be on top over here. All right, I'm gonna add in one more thing. I have this little dog house here, so I'm just gonna stick that here in this little section just to give that a little bit more decor there. And then maybe, let me go back into this book. Could stick a little tree. Its own little Christmas tree. Okay, cute. All right, with that, I am done. That is going to be my spread for Jennie. So Jennie, I hope you like how your spread turned out. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I created this spread. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.